guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So this is actually my first video back since my surgery, and I don't know really how to act, you guys. It took me like forever to put on my makeup, to do this wig. Like, it took me like hours because I'm just moving slow still, but I'm back. Let's just focus on the good. So I'm just gonna focus on the good and get through this review for you. I am wearing a new wig from Asteria Hair, and you guys, let me just say, Asteria Hair has quickly become probably my favorite, if not definitely my top 1, 2, and maybe 3 wig companies. Every time I get a wig from them, I just know it's going to be like on point. I'm not gonna have any problems, and it is going to be a favorite. Like, every wig I get is a favorite. So Asteria, keep it up. I haven't even gotten to the review. I'm just excited because that's like, when you find a really good company, especially when it comes to hair, like, that's major. Let me get into what I'm wearing, you guys. So I'm wearing their Brazilian loose deep lace front wig. It is 100 and something. It is 150% density, and it's 22 inches, and I'm wearing a size large in this wig. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. This is a lace front wig, so you get a good amount of parting space. So you can definitely part this hair however you want to and create different styles with it. You are not limited at all. Does it say it's a pre-plucked hairline? I want to say it is a pre-plucked hairline. I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig, and I did pluck the hairline a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more realistic, believable. So yeah, you guys, so this is the hair freshly washed. I did go in and add some wand curls to it, and I totally forgot to show you guys how it looked coming out of the package. Please excuse me on that one. You guys know I normally do that. I just like was losing my mind because I was so excited to put this on, and I forgot to record that. But I will insert a picture maybe over here or somewhere around here of how it looks. But really, it's not that necessary because you're not gonna wear the hair coming straight out the package anyways. You're gonna zhuzh it up and all that good stuff. So this is me zhuzhing it up for the first time, and this is how it came out. So I do love the curl pattern. It is definitely a loose, deep type of curl or wave, whatever you wanna call it. And it kind of feels a little bit longer than 22 inches, but maybe that's just me. It may be like 24, so that's always good. The 150% density is perfect for this wig as well. Personally, I think if you did a little bit more, like 180, I think it goes up to 250. I think it's just not necessary personally. I just think it would be like a whole lot of hair. So I really can't say much about the tangles and shedding because I haven't really received any, because this is my first day wearing this wig. So it'd be kind of not fair for me to say I'm not getting any tangles or shedding, so you don't have to worry about that. I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about that. Just my experience with wearing their hair from like Asteria Hair, I don't think that's gonna be too big of a concern, just because it hasn't been. I love the company. Their hair is always great quality, and so I'm not too concerned about that. If that's something that you're interested in or you want me to update you guys on, just put it down in the comments, and then I will let you know as the days and the weeks kind of go by. You guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I also just want to say really quickly, thank you guys for all the sweet comments and just kind of checking up on me with my surgery. Everything went well. I'm still at home. Yeah, I'm not really doing much. Can't really do too much, but I'm here and everything went well, and God is good. So that's it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and of course I will answer you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JMarie and hit that subscribe button. And I think that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.